Life here in southern Somalia is a daily struggle. In 2011, this area was devastated by a terrible famine. And even now, the staff at this health clinic see over 400 severely malnourished children every day. Today, Halima Jabril is here with her 2-year-old son, Mayo. She became worried when he fell sick and stopped eating. Now he's vomiting, has serious diarrhea and weighs just 6 kilos, half the weight of a healthy toddler. Although Halima is 6 months pregnant, she travelled nearly 20 kilometres from her rural home to seek help.
We do farming in my village, but this time the rains were not enough. It's because of lack of food my child is like this. My other children are well, but the situation back home is bad. People are suffering there.
This UNICEF-supported clinic on the outskirts of Baidoa town in Bay region serves a population of 60,000 people. The severely malnourished children are admitted to the outpatient therapeutic program, in which children are given a supply of nutritious peanut-based paste and health services such as vaccines are provided. Hassan Mohammed, a nurse here, says the number of families who need help is overwhelming.
This child is severely malnourished. We have several children like this coming here every day. When they arrive, we screen them. If they are able to eat, we enroll them to the outpatient therapeutic program. If they have no appetite and have medical complications, we refer them to the stabilization center for treatment.
2 similar clinics providing outpatient therapeutic programs for severely malnourished children here in Bay region are generously supported by the Japanese government. In total, Japanese funding to UNICEF this year has gone to 27 local partners in 7 regions, running outpatient therapeutic programs and stabilization centers. Severely malnourished children with medical complications who come to this health center are referred to the stabilization center, a basic ward at Baidoa Regional Hospital. This was previously provided with funding from Japan for nutritious supplies and medicine. When Muhyiddin became sick, his mother, Halima Made, tried the traditional healer. But when he deteriorated further, she rushed nearly 100 kilometres on foot and by public minivan to Baidoa. Jamala Hussein, the stabilization centre supervisor, explains that here the children receive therapeutic milk, peanut-based paste and medical treatment.
When this child was brought here yesterday, his condition was terrible. He was vomiting with no appetite, but now he is stable. For this other child, we admitted him with edema grade 3, which is one of the most severe forms of malnutrition. After treatment, he became edema grade 2. We continued treating him and giving him fortified milk, and now he is edema grade 1. Soon, we will move him to stabilization phase 2, after which he will be discharged to the outpatient therapeutic clinic.
Once these children leave hospital, they join an outpatient therapeutic program and their mothers receive information about hygiene, breastfeeding and providing a balanced diet for the children. So far this year, more than 110,000 severely malnourished children under 5 have been treated. However, more needs to be done. 1 in 7 children in Somalia dies before their 5th birthday, and all too often malnutrition is a contributing factor. UNICEF needs urgent support to continue providing crucial healthcare to Somalia's sick and malnourished children. This is Susanna Price reporting for UNICEF Somalia. For more information, go to www.unicef.org. Unite for Children.